Yes, and obviously we've seen all of these challenges develop in the past few months. Grace, a lot of what you do is crucial when it comes to managing complicated projects and delivering them. So how are both, maybe project management and engineering as disciplines, helping towards making the world a more sustainable one?
Thank you. First, you're asking about two disciplines which are close to my heart. Being an engineer by education and a long-term practitioner, if I want to be biased, I would say the humanity without those two disciplines wouldn't be able to achieve what has achieved so far. And even more, we cannot aspire to get a better future. And I think Expo is a great example of how engineering and project management can pair together to produce such perfection. For a non-biased answer, I would say projects drive change. And the whole world is increasingly organized around projects. Hence, they form a key part of how sustainability can be achieved. When we talk about projects, we speak about outcomes. Tracking project outcomes itself has evolved from time, scope, and cost back in the 1960s to profit, people, and planet in the 90s. And in the 21st century and beyond, it's now purpose, people, and planet. What does it mean? It means that while tracking cost and investments, from a project life cycle perspective, we need to make sure that there are alignment with the environmental benchmarks like LEED and BREEAM. So not only that, what it means is to become more holistic in mapping the impact of our projects on society and the environment. What does it mean to build a highway or a railway system or an entertainment resort by the beach? What does it mean? Is it healthy? Is there any energy, especially now when we're working and living at the same time? We need building which provide us with a healthy space and energy. So saying that, I would think that undertaking large-scale engineering programs is one of the most difficult and risky undertakings. When government and organization can attempt, if they do them well, it's very rewarding. So they can produce, they generate solution, system, capabilities, and whatever outcomes which are sustainable and innovative. At the same time, they produce tremendous benefit to the society. Things, as I mentioned, like smart hybrid, or a trip to the moon, or green energy sources, etc. But on the other hand, those engineering programs, they present great challenges. So now studies and practices are leaning towards integrating between engineering and program management towards excellence and more sustainable outcomes. And a joint study by PMI and the International Council of Engineering and PMI has identified 43 lean enablers. It's called lean enablers for managing engineering programs, effectively to integrate between those disciplines and to help overcome challenges like unclear roles and responsibilities or lack of risk management and so on. So just as a brief, when engineering and program management are well done and integrated, they can create a better future.
It's clear, I can see your passion for both of these industries.
I still have it after this long
yes,
time.
I can see it. And I could expect all of these terminologies to come out in your answers. Structure, goals, systems. I could see that, and it's wonderful to get that passion again on our stage. I'm going